Hey YouTube, Justin aka Demonic Sweaters here with another Alesis Nitro mesh video. Now, I just was wondering, what would my Alesis Nitro mesh sound like if I hooked it up to all my guitar pedals? So that's exactly what I'm going to do in this video. We're going to see what it sounds like. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Before we get started with that though, I just wanted to mention, if you get a chance, check out my record label, anthillrecordings.bandcamp.com. And you can find all the music that I make on there, as well as some of the music by my friends. A lot of the stuff I feature on this channel, I make using the gear that I have in this channel. And you can become a member of the CDR Club on there. You can get every CDR that I release in 2020, all included in one low annual fee, as well as you get all the digital releases 100% for free or included in that annual fee. Plus you get 15% off all of my other physical releases like vinyl, and anything like that that comes out on Anthill Recordings. So check that out. If you can't do that, just subscribe to the channel, or you can stream me on Spotify, Apple Music, Google Music, all that stuff. Just search Demonic Sweaters on any of those services and you'll find me. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to show you all the pedals that I have it hooked up to and how I'm going to hook it up, and then we'll just experiment and see how it goes. I actually didn't even try it yet. I'm filming this intro before even doing any of the actual playing, so you're going to experience it the same time I do. So here we go. Alright, so here's the setup. I'm going to be running out of my Alesis Nitro Mesh module using the mono line output, which is, let me unplug it so you can see it. If you look at the outputs on the back, you'll have right and left, and the left one is the mono. So just plugging out of the mono. The reason why I'm doing mono is because guitar pedals generally are mono. Some of them are stereo, but most of them I would say are mono. And then I'm going to use my compressor, DS1 distortion, my DoD Phaser 201, my Electro-Harmonic small clone chorus, and my Donner looper. So I'm going to try out a few different combinations and some different sounds, maybe do some loops and play over top of them, and see what we can do. I'm going to run from the looper out directly into my PSO4 digital recorder and just record it that way. Easy. Yeah, that was really cool. So that was a lot of fun. You know, what's really awesome, I think, is the looper pedal. So if you really want to have some fun, I highly recommend picking up one of those looper pedals. And I mean, the other pedals are great too, but having the looper there really gives you something to play with, because you can create little patterns. And then, you know, if I had the pedals set up more like by my actual foot pedals on the drum set too, that would make things even easier. You could do things more on the fly. But it's really, really a really cool idea. I could see this actually be, you could really turn this into a full-blown performance if you spend a little time with it, which I may do at some point. But anyway, experiment was a success. So if you want to plug guitar pedals into your Alesis Nitro Mesh, I keep looking down because that's where all the pedals are. But if you want to plug guitar pedals into your Alesis Nitro Mesh, do it. It's really awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see y'all really soon. Have a great day.